previous versions of Mastercam, you needed two operations to mirror geometry about both the X and Y axes using the mirror function. A new option in Mastercam 2021 allows you to mirror geometry about both the X and Y axes in one operation. Not only does the X and Y axes option create 3 copies of the selected geometry immediately, it also allows you to define a new axis origin by selecting a position on the screen. Additionally, we've added the modify commands remove and reset so that you can remove or restore any of the 4 instances of your transformed geometry. For more information on enhancements to Mastercam 2021, be sure to visit whatsnew.mastercam.com.